Howdy, folks. Welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. Today we're drinking sugar-free, and we're worried about safety.
Terry Family Adventures.
So I'm going to bolt it in here and over here, right where this one is.
So the same bolts as the seat belt used anyway.
Yep.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Is that where we get our rear springs?
No.
Struts?
Oh no.
Battery?
This is right here's where our negative is, and we have to take this off and then let it sit for 10 minutes.
You have to get the battery in and out that little hole? You have to take this whole liner out to get the battery out.
I am not looking forward to ever finding out. Really not looking forward to it.
That's messed up.
You think this is a good driving
Do
position?
you fit good?
Oh yeah.
Can we just take the seat right out?
Right? Fortunately, the track wouldn't be too happy with that, would they?
Probably not. You don't have a harness.
I don't even have any safety restraints. I can't even just bolt the seatbelt back up. I can kind of get to the pedals real good at this position, though.
I thought this thing had poor visibility already. How is it from down there?
I can barely see like the reverse lights on the truck directly in front of me.
And you're like looking through the steering wheel instead of over it.
No, I can't even look through it. I can't even see the bottom half of my gauges.
That's awesome. All right, let's get this good seat in there. So we got the bracket on here. It's bolted on. It won't be adjustable. You won't be able to slide it back and forth. And we've got these big steel shims in here. It tilts him back. We were having problems with him fitting his big head in there with his helmet on. He's too tall for the car. There's no headroom in this thing. Say hi, Leland.
Hi, Leland.
Racing seat installed. Racing harness installed. Do you feel safe?
Yes, sir. Now let's get some suspension on this old girl.
So now that we're feeling safe and we got the suspension on the car, let's head out to the drift event. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. And thank you for watching.